Hello students, this is Shweta Roy. This video is for chapter 6 part 3 Weather and Climate. In this video we will discuss the question answers of this chapter. So first we will do exercise A. Answer the following questions. So the first question is, what is difference between weather and climate? So here you have the answer. Weather is the temporary conditions of the atmosphere of a place. The weather of a place may change daily. For example, a rainy day describes weather, whereas climate is the average pattern of a particular place over a long period of time. For example, rainy season describes climate. Next we have, where are the temperate zones located? And the answer is, the temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the north, and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the south. Next we have, name the factors that determine the climate of a place. The answer is, factors which determine the climate of a place are latitude or distance from the equator, altitude, distance from the sea, direction of the wind, rainfall. So these are the factors which determine the climate of the place. Next, which zones are the coldest regions in the world? The answer is, frigid zones are the coldest regions in the world which lie beyond the Arctic Circle in the north and Antarctic Circle in the south. Now we have fill in the blanks. The weather of a place changes daily. Places close to the equator receive more sunlight. The areas with heavy rainfall have moderate temperature. Climate is the average pattern of a weather of a particular place. Now we have the MCQs. So the first one is average weather condition of a place over a long period of time is called its climate. Second, the movement of air is called wind. Third, the frigid zone gets the least amount of heat. The temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the north. Here we have a reading section. I travel far and wide to see climates change. It is so much fun to see things so strange. But nothing is better than sitting at my window by the coast and enjoying the weather with hot tea and toast. So you need to do the reading practice for this section. Next we have a question here. Why do you think many species of birds from the cold regions migrate to the warmer regions every year? So here we have the answer. Birds migrate to the warmer regions because the insects, seeds and nuts or nectars they feed on become scarce in cold regions. They fly south to warmer areas where vegetation and insects aren't in winter decline. So, they migrate from cold regions due to the scarcity of food and the cold weather condition. We have some additional questions from the chapter. How many climate zones are there on Earth? The Earth is divided into 3 climate zones. What is wind? Air moves from high pressure regions to low pressure regions. This movement of air is called wind. Where does torrid zone lie? Torrid zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer in north and the Tropic of Capricorn in south. Next is, what is the meaning of torrid? The word torrid means hot. What is another name of torrid zone? Torrid zone is also known as tropical zone. Which kind of climate is there in torrid zone? Torrid zone has hottest climate on the earth. Which kind of climate does temperate zone have and why? Temperate zone has mild temperature throughout the year because it receives the slanted rays of the sun. Here we have an activity for you. How can you make a difference? So the Amazon rainforest releases enough moisture into the atmosphere to produce half of its own rainfall. Now deforestation of this region has resulted in the extinction of more than 50% of the species of flora and fauna. This kind of indiscriminate deforestation causes soil erosion and global warming. Write a note on the ill effects of deforestation with examples. You can take the help of the internet for your reference. So do this activity. I hope you all understood all the topics taught in this video. Thank you.